Halloween sorted. Your favorite character from the classic series didn't appear in the Haiti era. That means the writers couldn't dumb them down, butcher their character, or make them pull some kiddie gimmicky special. My copy of A Better View for Gordon looks strange today. Henry literally gets entombed inside a tunnel. The narrator: you get what you deserve. One does not simply shunt. The math teacher: when you use a different method and still get the right answer, it isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Never ask a woman her age. A man his salary. Wilbert Awdry about the original version of Henry Sneeze. They turned him into a generator. 3250 watt generator. Fans, it can't get any worse. 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 Typical Gordon day. So glad I grew up with this. And not this. Normie, you watch Thomas the Tank Engine, that baby show. Every Thomas fan in the 10-mile radius. No, it's amazing. Every single word you said was wrong. Harris. If you stay in the tunnel, no one will see your green paint and red stripes anyway. Think, Henry, think. No, I said steamed trams. Fish in my water tank? It's more likely than you think. Manga. Anime. Netflix adaptation. Upgrade. Upgrade. Perfect. Reliable. When it's been 1 hour and ads are still playing. Bluebell engines be like, oh, it's Tuesday in it, yeah I'll chew, ye buffers off ye daft prick. If you think you're having a bad day, remember that Jeremiah Jobling can't catch a break on soda. James meets Wanda. Welcome to Haven. Here's our Thomas motorized collection. Wait, they are all metal gline. Haha psych. Generator, smudger. Terribly misspells word. Goes on hunt for trucks. Makes the deceased all giddy. Leaves. An engine race war. Thomas giving Diesel bananas. Me hearing the island song at 3 years old. Cool song. Me hearing the island song now. After all of the bullcrap metal is doing to our beloved franchise. Children follow the dream. Corporate needs you to find the difference between this picture and this picture. They are same picture. Godon. Thomas fans' girlfriends be like, I'm invisible. Get on the train. Get on the train. Rolling down the mountain, here we come. Frick off, Caldy. Are these bugs? Fat controller. There's no special coal in here. What do you think he's listening to? Probably heavy metal or hard rock. When a TATMR fan says they don't like BWBA because it's unrealistic. It's overtowed. I have the high rail. Caught in 144p. When another engine bumps you onto a loading ramp, yet you get blamed. Am I a joke to you? Me in public. My headphones. Going fishing. When your friend's telling the fakest story and you're just there like, Duck the Great Western Engine. Duck the Great Eastern Engine. I respect everyone's opinions, but then there's Twitter users. Best, great, good, average, don't care for, laughably bad, worst. Me. He's so ugly. Entertainment. Me. I love him. This onion won't make me cry. Island Song. Song by Mike O'Donnell and Junior Campbell. I don't want to hear about your soda Fallout AU. It's becoming too expensive to film with models. We are switching to CGI. It wouldn't be so expensive to film with models if you didn't constantly spend your money making models for characters that will only appear once and never again. Danger. Engines must not pass this board. That sign won't stop me because I can't read. Luckily, no one was hurt. The engines. Honey, we have guests. Bring out the fine china. When you are born blind, Thomas had never seen before. So, no head. When the toilet water starts rising. Frick. When you hear your friend's phone go off and it's the same sound as your alarm. Ringo Starr, George Carlin. He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they will tell you so. Get real. Tidmouth milk. Thomas showing. Who asked? Backwards signals. Island of Soda. Pack your things. We are leaving. What the frick is this? Okay, what should the new Thomas look like? Let's dumb it down. This will definitely increase toy sales. Just give the fans what they want. The fat controller laughed. You are wrong. Trackmaster Hero. Plarail Hero. When you use the bathroom after a week of nothing but Taco Bell. No record. Douglas, where's my special coach? Henry in the classic series. Henry in the CGI series. Since it took control, they say only 8 engines from now on. And I'm the 8th engine. So I guess I'm safe. Emily. I fear no man. But that thing. It scares me. The human eye can expand up to 55% while looking at something you love. If you can hear this, you are a true fan. Mattel, the show. Hit Entertainment. Wilbert Audrey. Nobody, me when mom wakes me up in the morning. Nobody, Luke and Blue Mountain Mystery. Bonjour. Sir Topham Hat when Duncan wobbles a bit. Wouldn't that make you a pop star? I will. Frick do it. Scrap, trucks, Thomas, snowmen. None of his siblings survived. His best arc was his early days. Inconsistent. Number 1 wasn't first character made. Has the best RWS arc. Always portrayed as a kind-hearted grump. While most are scrapped, his most famous bro is still alive. The second character made. Name a character that went through more pain than her. I will wait. Arg, call an ambulance, but not for me. Looks like I have to bust your buffers. Thanks for watching. Make sure to send your memes through Twitter or Discord.